Now let's make a uh, simple contract in Solidity. Now let's make a contract by using this contract keyword of simple contract. Okay, and inside the simple contract, what we want is we want to add a string of public, and let's make it a name, right? So we have this string right over here which is of public name. Now let's make a function to set to essentially set the contract. So let's say this set function take a parameter of string underscore text, so, or even say we can also say underscore name, right? So that would be more reasonable. And now if you look at this, I essentially use underscore right over here because of name conclusion, because if I just use name it will throw me an error. That's why I specify underscore right over here. And I also need to because now we are setting this, so we need to add a call data. You can also, I would say you can also add memory, but memory would be most more, I would say, take more gas, so that's why I just specify call data. Cool. So now let's add external right over here, external, because we want to call this function from an external user. That's why you specify this external, and then just name, just give this way, right? So now we essentially in the set function take a parameter of string of and get the call data of underscore name. It's going to be a external function, means anyone can call it from external source, right? And let's say make a function now to get the essentially a name. So this get function is going to be an external view returns of string memory return x. Now what does this view mean? So I already specified that if we want to get the state variables, we need to use view in our contract, and now we use external because we want this to be get external use. So now that's why we specify this as external, and let's say we can specify as a name because we want to get this public string, so that's why I specify this name. Cool. So now let's just compile this contract. I'll compile this contract and now just delete this and then deploy this, expand this contract. Now you will see the set function, get function, name function, right? So first we need to set, then we can able to use this get and name. So now if I just click on this name, it will show me nothing, or it's just empty, right? It show me nothing. Same for the get, right? So if I just let's say if I just add a string of something, let's say if I just add a string, let's say what can I add, say my name, and just click on this transact, and if I click on this get, it shows in the string. Same for the name. Cool. So that's how we can use how we can make a simple storage in Solidity. I will see you in the next video.